Megan Bettis from Channel 6. Oh, before you go.
Go.
Hello, I'm Megan Bettis from Channel 6. I'm here to interview some people.
Alright, I'm finished.
You just hear in the background someone laughing. Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Go.
Hello, I'm Megan Bettis from Channel 6. I'm here to interview some people about...
Dang it! Dang it!
Mark, I'm hot, and I'm in... Hello, I'm Megan Bettis from Channel 6. I'm here...
I am ready.
Mark, say go. I'm all standing like this. Tell me when... Oh, hello. Hello, I'm here to interview German Scout neighbors of Boo Bradley. Hello, I am Megan.
Hello. I'm Jim.
Hello. So Jim, what rumors have you heard about Boo Radley in this town?
Oh my god.
Hello again. I'm interviewing another neighbor of Boo's, Miss Stephanie Crawford. Anyways, don't start over, cause I'm... Where are you going? Oh. Okay. Well, what other, have you ever had like personal experiences that happened with you and Boo or anything?
Yes, one time I tried to jump Boo Radley's fence and my pants got stuck and they ripped completely off my body. So,
Funny story.
Okay.
what are you doing?
Have you ever had personal experiences that happened with you and Boo or anything?
Yes, one time I tried to jump Boo Radley's fence and my pants got stuck and ripped completely. You covered Megan's face.
Mark, you could just shut up and just sit.
Again. Do it again.
Hello, I'm interviewing another neighbor of Boo's, Miss Stephanie Crawford. What rumors or experiences have you heard or known of Boo Radley?
Well, one time when Boo was cutting out some newspaper pieces and his father walked by and Boo stabbed him in the leg with the scissors.
Dang.
And the police came to arrest the father, to arrest Boo, I'm sorry. And the father refused to press charges on him and
Why?
would not let them take him away.
Why?
I don't know, that crazy old man, don't ever let that boy out of that house.
Oh.
It's all jiggly when you're laughing.
I'm sorry. It's just Megan's face.
She's reacting.
Okay, I'll have to
Get
cut
it,
that.
or do I have to grade it?
Oh, never mind.
I didn't get
Well, there you have it. The legends and stories of Boo Radley. No one knows if he's dead or alive. Wonder if he is. Okay, well, I'm interviewing another neighbor of Boo's. It's Miss Stephanie Crawford. She is a neighbor. She said she's a neighbor twice. Sorry, start over.